Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on the DoorDash app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add a different payment method on the DoorDash. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, the first thing that you want to do is log on to the DoorDash app. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner. Then click on Settings on the top-hand side. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down and underneath account settings, click on payment. So this is where you could actually go ahead and add a new payment method on the DoorDash app. And so with it, you can add a PayPal, credit, Apple Pay, Venmo, Cash App, or Klarna, and more. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a payment method on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.